In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a starter website with Squarespace Blueprint AI. We'll begin right at the source. Open Squarespace in your browser and start a new website setup. On the homepage, look for the option to create a website and proceed. If you're prompted to sign in or create an account, go ahead and do that so your work saves automatically as you go. This gets you into the builder where everything else happens. When the setup flow begins, choose the Blueprint AI option when it appears. This is Squarespace's guided assistant that turns your answers into a working starter site. Selecting it now ensures the rest of the process is streamlined and tailored to you, rather than starting completely from scratch. Next, answer the setup questions about your business or site goal. Be as specific and honest as you can. Describe what your site is for. Maybe it's a portfolio, an online brochure, or a simple landing page. Clarify your industry, the tone you prefer, and any pages you know you'll need, like an about page or a contact page. The more clearly you explain your purpose, the better the AI can shape your structure, wording, and style. If you're unsure about something, pick the closest option for now. You can refine it later. Now let Blueprint AI generate a starter website for you. This usually takes a moment while it composes your layout, sample copy, and a visual style that matches what you shared. Think of it as a working draft, something you can immediately see and edit rather than a blank canvas. Once it's ready, review the pages, text, and style it creates. Click through the navigation and skim each page to understand the structure. Look at headlines, body text, image placements, and the overall color and font choices. Ask yourself whether the message matches your goals and whether the visual style feels on brand. It doesn't have to be perfect yet. This pass is about getting familiar and noting what you want to tweak. Then edit the generated site to better match your brand. Replace placeholder text with your own words, adjust the tone to sound like you, and swap in your images or graphics. Update colors and fonts to align with your branding, and refine layouts so key information stands out. Small, consistent edits, like using the same button style and consistent headings, will quickly make the site feel cohesive and professional. Finally, save and continue building from the AI-generated starting point. Keep iterating as your content becomes clearer. With a solid foundation in place, you can confidently expand your site over time while staying true to your brand and goals.